Have you ever spent hours editing the perfect video or setting up an incredible live stream only for it to get absolutely zero views? The truth is, it doesn't matter how great your content is if nobody clicks on it. And the secret of getting that click is your title. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a deep dive tutorial all about YouTube video live streams titles. We are going over what they actually are, the pros and the cons of different title strategies, and exactly how to craft a title that stops the stroll. If you want to unlock more views, hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into it. What is a YouTube title? First, let's establish what a title really is. On paper, it's just text, but on YouTube, your title is your first impression and your digital billboard. Along with your thumbnail, the title has two major jobs. For human, it creates curiosity, promises a benefit, and tell the viewers why they should care. For the algorithm, it provides crucial SEO metadata that helps YouTube understand what your content is about so it can recommend it to the right audience. The pros and cons of different titles strategies. Now, there isn't just one way to write a title. Let's look at the pros and cons of the two main strategies: search-based titles Venus versus clickbait curiosity titles. Strategy A: search-based SEOs titles. Example: how to set up StreamYard for live streaming. The pros: excellent for pulling in steady, long-term views. People are actively searching for these exact phrases, so your video can get discovery months or even years after you upload it. The con: they can sometimes feel like a text. Casual viewers strolling through their own page might skip right past it. Strategy B: curiosity physio- physiological titles. Example: they didn't want me to share this stream secret. The pros: massive potential for high click rates, CTR. It triggers emotions, builds suspense, and forces people to find what happened next. The con: if your video doesn't immediately deliver on that wild promise, viewers will click away instantly. This hurts your audience retention and the algorithm will stop pushing your video. Tips for writing winning titles. So, how do we get the best of both worlds? Here are 3 quick rules for your titles. Keep it under 60 characters. This ensures your title does not get cut off on a mobile screen. Put the most important words first. Hook them with the first 3 words. Match your thumbnail. Your thumbnail and the title should tell a story together, not repeat the same exact text. Writing great titles takes practice, but once you find that sweet spot between searchability and curiosity, your channel growth will change completely. While title styles, which title styles do you use the most on your channel? Search focused or curiosity driven? Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creators tips, and click on the next video popping up on your screen right now to keep leveling up your channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.